Hello students, so welcome back to SST class. Today we are going to deal with the topic that is local time and standard time. This topic is again based on longitudes. So, how we are going to know about the local time? Bachche, pay attention. Whenever we are having a globe in front of us, we always see that every longitude is having 4-minute difference with other longitudes. If I am saying that a longitude of 79 degree east would be 4 minutes ahead of 78 degree east and 4 minutes behind of 80 degree east. So the difference of the time would be 4 minutes with each longitude. 4 minutes with each longitude the time difference would be. So in and all, if I am having 360 degree longitudes, total longitudes are 60 degree, 4 minutes are there would be equal to, when we would multiply it would be equal to 24 hours. It would be equal to 24 hours. So this is how the time is taken. Every longitude is 4 minutes apart from each other. 4 minutes apart from each other with the adjacent with the parallel longitudes. Now, when we talk about the local time, what is the local time? Sunrise time is different at different places. Because of the spherical shape of the earth that we have discussed in the last chapter, the sunrise is also taking place at different places at different times. If it is taking place at once only throughout the globe, why there is a difference between the time of India and Canada? Why there is a difference between the time of Europe and Russia? Why there is a difference of time between America and Australia? So the main point here is, due to the spherical shape of the earth, sunrise is taking place at different places at different time. Now, when we talk about the different places, different time, so let us see how we are going to know about the local time at any place. If you are at any place means you can call it longitude. At any longitude you are there, how you would come to know about the local time? You could come to know about the local time in the noon. What would happen in the noon? Place a stick here. Place a stick on the surface of the earth. When you would place a stick on the surface of the earth, let us call sunrise. Sunrise is from the east. So when the sun rays would be falling on the stick in the morning, its shadow would be larger. It would be having a larger shadow. As the sun would be rising till noon, in the noon, the shadow of the stick would become shortest. And as the sun would be rising, the shadow of the stick would be becoming less. Sunrise, sun came here. Earlier the shadow was this. Earlier the shadow was it. When the sun rise, the shadow declined to this distance. When again sun raised, shadow declined. When again sun raised, shadow declined. In the noon, when the sun is vertical on the stick, the shadow would be the shortest one. Let me tell you, the shadow would be the shortest one. And when the shadow is the shortest, when you observe the shortest shadow of the stick, put your watches, put your clocks, set your clocks at 12 p.m. This is called the local time. When the shadow is smallest, when the shadow is shortest. After this 12 p.m. the sun would gradually go down. The sun would gradually go down, and hence the distance or the length of the shadow would also keep increasing. So when the shortest shadow would you observe, that would be the local time, and set your clocks at 12 p.m. That would be depicting your local time. Now, as we know that sun would be vertical at different times at different longitudes. So if I am at 159 degree east and somebody is there on 160 degree east performing the same experiment, I have placed a stick. I am standing on 159 degree east. I have placed a stick on the ground and performing same experiment. Second person has also placed a stick on the ground and experiencing the same experiment. What would be the difference? The shortest shadow would be experienced by me first, and after 4 minutes, the moment when the shortest shadow would be there, I would set my watch at 12 p.m. At 12 p.m. But here, the moment I would experience the shortest shadow, this person would not be experiencing the smallest shadow. Now the sun would move ahead. Sun would travel this distance of 1 degree. Now sun had traveled 1 degree. For traveling 1 degree, it would be requiring 4 minutes. Now when the sun would be vertical on 160 degree east, my clock would be showing 12:04 p.m. But the person on 160 degree east would be experiencing the smallest shadow at that time, and at that time he would set his watch at 12 p.m. Now see the difference. At the same moment, our watches are showing the different times. So this is the great confusion or great complication that arises while seeing the time. And this confusion is sorted out by setting up standard time. Right? Otherwise, if I am going to travel from 159 degree east to 160 degree east, I am traveling from this place to this place, I would have to set my watch accordingly every time. If I am traveling from Delhi to Kolkata, lying on distant longitudes, I would have to set my time again and again. When I would reach Lucknow, I would have to set the time. When I would reach Kanpur, I would again have to set the time. When I would reach Patna, I would again have to set the time. When I would reach Asansol, I would again have to set the time. And then finally I have to set the time at Kolkata. Means my whole journey would keep me busy while setting the time. Do we used to do that? No. Because we have selected the standard time. Now what is the standard time? In order to overcome the problem of local time in the countries, if, let us suppose, what would be the problem? Aaj Tak says, Aaj Tak, a news channel, says any bulletin would be published at 11 a.m. Now the head office of the Aaj Tak is at Delhi, New Delhi. Now the head office of the Aaj Tak is at Delhi. At Delhi it would be 11 a.m. but at Kolkata it might be 11:30 a.m. So the people at Kolkata are already sitting in front of the TVs from 11 a.m. to see the telecast, and they are sitting idle. They are seeing that TV is showing nothing as the Aaj Tak promised that it would show on 11 a.m. Now who is at the fault? Neither the Aaj Tak is at the fault nor the Kolkata people are at the fault. The fault is, there is no fault in actual, the difference of time is there. There is a difference of time. So we need to overcome this difference of time, and in accordance to overcoming this difference of time, we need to select the standard meridian or standard time. Now what is standard time? Let us see. Now our India, not just our India, every country is having a proper standard time. Let us call this our India. So the longitudinal extent of India is from 67 degree east to 97 degree east. Now the difference of this longitudinal extent is a 30 degree longitudes. Now we know that for every one longitude there is a time gap of 4 minutes. Now for 30 degree longitude there would be the time of 120 minutes, because 30 into 4 it would be 120, it would be equal to 2 hours. The eastern side of India's would be showing its watches 2 hours ahead as compared to the watches on the western side. The Assam people would be having time, if they are having 8 AM on their watches, the people of Gujarat would be having 6 AM on their watches. If we are following the local time, so local time always creates a confusion. That's why we need to select the standard time. Now what is the standard time? What we are going to do? How we are going to take it? We have taken the center of the India. If we divide this 97, it would be leading to 30 degree. So 15 degree longitudes have been left here. So we have left 15 degree longitudes here. We have divided India into two parts. 15 degree longitude here, and we have selected the longitude of 82 degree east. 82 degree east longitude has been selected, which passes from Mirzapur. In UP. Mirzapur is at UP. So whatsoever the time would be there on Mirzapur, the local time of Mirzapur would be acting as a standard time of whole India. Either the person is living here, either he is living here, or he is living here. All the watches of the people within the country would be showing the time, that is local time of 82 degree east, in order to create the uniformity. Now, if Aaj Tak says any program would be telecasted or broadcasted at 11 AM, 11 AM would be according to this standard meridian, this standard time. Now, the watches of Kolkata is also set according to the standard time. The watches of Delhi is also set according to the standard time. Now, there would be a uniformity throughout the nation, throughout the country. This is how we have selected the standard time. Right? Now, moving ahead. Now we are going to see the time between 82 degree longitude east. Let us see. This is the prime meridian 0 degree. This is our India here. This is the line of 82 degree east. Now what would be the difference between the time, that is 0 degree, which passes from Greenwich in London, in UK, United Kingdom, England. 0 degree which passes from Greenwich, London, United Kingdom and England. What would be the time difference between India and this Greenwich? So there is the difference of 82 degrees. The difference is of 82 degrees. Now first of all we need to see which would be ahead and which would be late. The sun would rise. So as it is east, so sun would rise on 82 degree east first, and then it would be rising on the 0 degree. Right? So if we are saying 82 degree, what would be the time difference? 1 degree is affected by 4 minutes. So 82 degree would be affected by into 4, it would be equal to 328 minutes. When divided into hours, it would be resulting in 5.5, which means that 5 hours 30 minutes. The time difference between London and India, United Kingdom and India, would be 5 hours 30 minutes. Now the question is, which would be ahead? Which would be ahead? Would the time of 82 degree east would be ahead or 0 degree would be ahead? Automatically the east, the sun is rising from the east, so it would be ahead. If it is 12 AM here, it would be 6:30 PM here at London. So this is the difference between Indian Standard Meridian and GMT. What is GMT? GMT means Greenwich Mean Time, and IST means Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is taken with the reference of 82 degree east line. That was all in this video. See you in the next class. Till that, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.